The ultimate guide to avocado, superfood for health. Glowing skin and DIY face masks. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Glow from Natural by Vichika. Today, we're driving deep into one of the most beloved superfoods on the planet, the creamy, dreamy, and powerful avocado. Whether you eat it, wear it, or blend it into your drinks, this amazing fruit has countless benefits for your health, skin, and beauty. So let's get started. Avocado, also known as butterfruit or alligator pear. It's a creamy green fruit packed with essential nutrients and natural oils. Native to Central America, this unique fruit has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and skincare. Today, it's a global superfood, loved for its health-boosting and beauty-enhancing properties, unlike most fruits. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats like oleic acid, which nourish the body from the inside out. It contains over 20 essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, B vitamins, especially B5, B6, folate, antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthinoate. Makes avocado stand out is that it's nutrient-dense, meaning you get a powerful health impact even in small amounts, whether you eat it, blend it, or apply it to your face. Avocado can dramatically improve your health, skin texture, and natural glow. Health benefits of avocado. 1. Supports heart health. Avocados are high in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which helps reduce bad LDL cholesterol while increasing good HDL cholesterol. It also contains potassium, more than bananas, which helps regulate blood pressure and prevent heart disease too. Aids weight loss and appetite control despite being high in fat. Avocado promotes satiety. It slows digestion and keeps you full longer, which helps control hunger and prevent overeating. 3. Boosts immunity and fights inflammation. Avos are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, including vitamin E, vitamin C, and glutathione. These reduce oxidative stress and chronic inflammation linked to aging and many diseases. 4. Improves eye health. Avocado contains lutein and zeaxanthine, powerful antioxidants that protect the eyes from UV damage, cataracts, and macular degeneration. 5. Strengthens bones. It's a natural source of vitamin K, magnesium, and boron, which are essential for strong bones and calcium absorption. 6. Supports brain and mood. Avocados are packed with B vitamins and healthy fats, especially for brain cells. They help improve memory, reduce brain fog, and support mental focus. 7. Helps manage blood sugar. The low-carb, high-fiber combination of avocado makes it a great food for people managing diabetes or blood sugar issues. 8. Supports fertility and pregnancy. Avocados provide folate, vital for fetal development and preventing birth defects. It also helps regulate hormones and improves fertility in both men and women. 9. Detoxifies the body with high fiber, glutathione, and natural oils. Avocado helps eliminate toxins and supports liver function. 10. Great for gut health. It's rich in soluble and insoluble fiber, feeding healthy gut bacteria and preventing constipation. Skin benefits of avocado are a skin superfood, working from the inside and outside. Here's why. 1. Hydrates and moisturizes. Avocado is full of fatty acids and vitamin E, which deeply moisturize dry or flaky skin. 2. Fights aging. Vitamin E and C work together to combat signs of aging like wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging. 3. Brightens complexion. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory nutrients help reduce dullness, giving your skin a fresh glow. 4. Soothes irritated skin, perfect for sensitive skin. Avocado reduces redness, inflammation, and supports healing of acne scars or rashes. Protects from UV damage. Lutein and zeaxanthin protect the skin from UV rays and environmental damage. 6. Avocado oil versus fresh avocado oil is perfect for daily massage, makeup removal, or moisturizer. Fresh avocado is ideal for masks and spot treatments. Avocado for face. Mask recipes. 1. Avocado and honey for glow and moisture. We used ingredients like 1/2 ripe avocado, 1 teaspoon honey. How? 2. Use mash the avocado, mix with honey, and apply to clean face. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Benefit for brightens dull skin and adds moisture. Softens texture. 2. Avocado and yogurt for anti-aging. Wheezed ingredients like 1/2 avocado, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt. How? To use mash the avocado mix with plain yogurt and apply to clean face. Leave for 20 minutes and rinse off. Best result for firm skin and reduces wrinkles. 3. Avocado and oatmeal for exfoliating. Used ingredients like 1/2 avocado, 1 tablespoon of oatmeal you cooked and keep until cooled. How to use mash the avocado. Scrub gently on your face and leave for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse with cool water. The best result for smooth skin and removes dead cells for avocado and turmeric for brightening. We used ingredients like 1/2 avocado, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of milk or rose water. How? To use mash avocado gently on your face and leave for 10 minutes and rinse with cool water. The best result for brightens skin tone and fades pigmentation. 5. Avocado egg white. 4. Firming. Used ingredients like 1/2 avocado, 1 egg white. How to use? You mix well and apply avocado mask on your face and leave for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with cool water. The best result for tightens pores and reduces oil. Avocado is always use ripe avocado. Apply on clean skin. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Store leftover mixture in fridge up to 2 days. Avocado for hair benefits and DIY hair masks. Benefits of moisturizes dry scalp, strengthens weak hair, promotes hair growth, reduces dandruff, adds natural shine. Avocado for hair mask for Shinu. Used ingredients like 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey. How to use it? Apply to hair and scalp. Cover with shower cap for 30 minutes. Rinse and shampoo. Hair growth mask. We used ingredients like 1 avocado, 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of castor oil. How to use? Massage into scalp. Leave for 45 minutes and wash with cool water. Avocado in diet. Simple recipes. 1. Avocado smoothie. Used ingredients 1/2 avocado, 1 banana, 1 cup milk or almond milk. 1 teaspoon honey. Ice cubes. Blend and serve chilled. Perfect for breakfast or post-workout energy. Avocado toast. Whole grain bread. Mash avocado with lemon and salt. Top with tomato slices or boiled egg. 3. Avocado salad mix. Avocado cubes, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, olive oil, lemon, and black pepper. 4. Avocado detox. Drink. Blend avocado, chia seeds, lemon juice, mint, and water. Drink in the morning for gut cleansing and hydration. Avocado is truly nature's multitasker. Whether you eat it for better health, apply it to nourish your skin, or massage it into your hair, this green fruit delivers powerful results as it regularly in your skincare routine, hair care smoothies, and snacks. You need to remember use avocado use ripe. Organic avocados combined with natural ingredients stay consistent to see results. So whether you're looking for glowing skin, shiny hair, better health, or just delicious meals, avocado is one of the simplest, most effective natural ingredients you can add to your life. So go ahead and embrace this superfood for a healthier, glowing life, side and out. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video if you love natural beauty remedies from ingredients you already have in your kitchen.